Joe Rogan, the world-renowned podcaster, comedian, and car enthusiast, has once again expanded his already impressive garage. Known for his eclectic taste in cars, ranging from Tesla's cutting-edge Model S Plaid to bespoke Porsche 911s, Rogan has just taken delivery of his latest automotive obsession, a stunning Porsche 911 RSR Tribute built by the New York-based specialists at the RSR Project. Rogan has long been a fan of the Porsche 911, even taking delivery of a highly customized Gunther Werks creation a few years ago. But this latest edition is something truly unique. Starting life as a 1980s 911, the car has been completely transformed into a Restomod masterpiece that balances vintage character with modern engineering. The RSR Project team began by stripping down the original tub, galvanizing it, and then equipping it with steel fender flares, custom fiberglass bumpers, and the iconic ducktail spoiler, a nod to Porsche's legendary racing heritage. The result is a machine that looks period correct, but with a sharper, more muscular stance that perfectly suits Rogan's taste for bold, driver-focused cars. Under the skin, this 911 RSR Tribute has undergone an equally extensive transformation. The original flat-six engine was carefully disassembled and rebuilt with upgraded components, including new bushings, bearings, seals, springs, and valves. Cylinder heads were resurfaced and modern upgrades were added: twin plug heads, a GT3 air intake plenum, Cluit engineering throttle bodies, new cams, fuel injectors, ignition coils, and an M-tron SL ECU. All these enhancements help the engine produce around 300 horsepower, which, in a car as light as this, delivers a raw, exhilarating driving experience. Inside, Rogan's Porsche carries the same philosophy of blending old-school charm with modern comfort. The cabin has been stripped back and reupholstered with fresh Porsche Classic dashboard components, new carpets, and fixed-shell bucket seats clad in black vinyl with nickel grommets. Inspired by the legendary Ford GT40, the seats exude vintage motorsport flair. A Momo Prototipo steering wheel, short shifter, and modern air conditioning system complete the setup, ensuring both driving excitement and comfort. Interestingly, while the RSR Project offers optional modern audio upgrades, Rogan deliberately skipped them. For him, the sound of the flat-six engine is the only soundtrack needed. Company founder Richard Schickman emphasizes that these cars are made to be driven, not tucked away in a collection. In fact, Rogan's RSR Tribute was tested over 700 miles before delivery, ensuring it delivers the visceral, analog experience the builder prides itself on. Of course, all this craftsmanship and bespoke engineering comes at a steep price. The base price for an RSR Project 911 starts at $375,000, but most builds surpass that figure due to customization options. For Rogan, however, the investment makes sense. He isn't just buying a car, he's buying an experience, a tangible connection to Porsche's motorsport past fused with modern reliability and performance. Joe Rogan's new Porsche 911 RSR Tribute highlights not only his passion for cars, but also the rise of Restomods as a serious category in the collector car world. These builds blend nostalgia, craftsmanship, and innovation, attracting enthusiasts who want the best of both eras. For Rogan, whose collection spans electric performance, classic icons, and bespoke machines, this new 911 might just be the purest driving tool in his garage.